Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Yugoslavia fell apart. After World War I, Yugoslavia emerged as a diverse, multi-ethnic state. Its eventual dissolution was a complex process driven by various political, economic, and ethnic factors. The passing of its long-standing and powerful leader, Josip Broz Tito, left a significant power vacuum, which exacerbated existing tensions and contributed to the country's fragmentation. Economic disparities between Yugoslavia's republics became increasingly pronounced, fueling resentment and division. Simultaneously, a surge in nationalism across various ethnic groups began to undermine the federal system and the central government's authority. Attempts at political reform proved insufficient, failing to adequately address the escalating demands for greater autonomy from the constituent republics. Nationalist leaders skillfully manipulated existing ethnic differences, using them to consolidate political power and further their agendas. As a result, several republics declared their independence, triggering a series of brutal and devastating conflicts. Despite numerous attempts by the international community to mediate peace and prevent further bloodshed, these efforts frequently proved unsuccessful in halting the escalating violence. Ultimately, Yugoslavia fragmented into 7 independent, sovereign states, each forging its own path. The conflicts that accompanied this dissolution led to a tragic loss of life, with hundreds of thousands of casualties, and displaced millions of people, leaving a profound and lasting impact on the region. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.